Hello guys, here new Colster's Cry. It's already been a while that I make some videos. I want to show you this. I think you see it in my previous movies. It's my latest thing. It's a Renault 69 tractor, but this one got the 4.2 MEM diesel. That's the same diesel as Fendt, but in a French code. I want to do a quick startup from most of my diesels. So I put you over here. I hope you can see something. And then, because it is a while that I start the diesels. It's now summer, 20 degrees here, so should be not a big problem. Only the batteries are maybe a little weak or empty. So we'll take a look. I will start up with a little red one, the Hummel DT, the DT45. It's a one-cylinder, two-stroke diesel from Sachs, 600 cc, I think. It's from 1958. So we try to start it first, and then I will go further. Blowing. Almost there. The battery is quite quick, so I give him a moment to rest. I go to the Renault 69, take a look at it. The battery is very good. Take a look. So we're going further to my Kawasaki Moore. I'll put you over here. That's the end. So I'm back. Battery of the Mule was completely dead like pig, but I got a little starting pack, so we try that. Smoky, but it's more in the morning. It's running a little bit rough. The dog is barking. A little bit rough, so we let it run a little bit, warming up. So we try the Humble again. That was running. It was not still running, but it's running. So let the Mule running because it's very smoky. I know the smoke will disappear after a while. But we're going to the next one and the last one, because this one I must repair it because the fuel pump is not good anymore. This one, Sweden 1631. It's I built it. It's a normal Ohio tractor, garden tractor, but I put the brake extension in the engine. I replaced it for one-cylinder Hats. So take a look if it will run. We'll put it over here. that's a very quick start. It was a long time ago that's running, but it's okay. So now we started 4 diesels in a couple of minutes. This one is not really running well, it's smoky. I think the injectors are not so good anymore. I replaced the oil, I replaced the fuel filter. I dumped out the old gas oil. I put some injector cleaner inside, but running not so good. Checking the inside, it's quite nice. Got a good response on it. I put it out because I ordered a new battery, so I will replace that. So guys, that was the little movie from starting the 4 running diesels.